Okay, everybody, welcome to another episode of Raspberry Plays. Today we're going to be a cat postman in Cat Mail Co. We're going to explore just the working of a post office. We're going to take packages here and there and ship them out and give them to customers. So let's get going. First day of work. I hope everything will be fine. I heard the old postman retired. Too bad he couldn't be here on our first shift. Kind of strange being on the other side of the counter. So here's our controls. WASD, space, shift. Alright, we gotta call a customer. And the parcel is for my brother, She. It's a big box. I'm building a cardboard castle. So it's probably this box right here. Let me pick it up. Right here. It's not that big of a box, but here you go. Have a good day. And look at the map. Inbound and outbound. 2 types of parcels. One for Cat Island, which has that sticker. And other destinations. So far we have Port Windy. Call another customer. Hi. Here you are. Take care of this shipment, please. So this one is, of course, for Port Windy. So we need to weigh it. It's in the blue. Blue means it has to have 4 stickers. So first we gotta send it to Port Windy. Then we need to put some stickers on it. I think today we'll use the lighthouse. And there we go. We're gonna get a boat coming, so we'll put the package over here. This one goes to Port Windy as well. We'll put that there. And this one goes to Port Windy as well. We'll just explore around the area and looking for packages. Time moves forward only when you satisfy a customer, so we can take our time around the area. Just exploring. That one goes to Port Windy. Has the lighthouse on it. So we can take this back here. This one actually is for us. Cat Island. It has our sticker on it. We're going to take these and actually place them up here. Here's another box. This box is pretty big. It goes to Port Windy. And that one goes to Port Windy as well. So we can take this back here and place it on the shelf. We'll probably rearrange this. This one is ours. This one is ours as well. This package goes to Port Windy. Okay, I've helped 2 of 5 customers today, so I gotta help 3 more. Okay, let's pick this ladder up and move it around. Oh, there's another package. This one goes to us. Let me take this package over here. Put it right there. Alright. Next customer, please.
No.
Hi, I'd like to send that. So we're going to send a couple packages. So these go to Port Windy, of course, because that's the only place we have. This one's blue, which needs 4 stamps. It doesn't matter where you stick them. We got a stamp at Port Windy. We take it and we can put it in the back. This one again goes to Port Windy. It's blue again, 4 stamps. We'll put Port Windy and we'll do the 4 stamps. And we'll put the 4th one there. Okay. Next customer, please.
No.
What's up? Oh, it's for my wife. Callow Kinscratch. I was told it's almost my height. So this is going to cause a whole bunch of chaos. All these packages are going to go down. Boom. Oh, looks like someone didn't want you to see this mess. I wonder behind this huge pile. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. So before I help my last customer, I'm going to sort these out. So this one goes to Port Windy. And put this right over here. This one is for us. Let's see if we get the name out so we can look at it. This one is for us, for Ghost. Let's make sure we get it name side out so we can look at it and when they come to pick up their package. This one's for us. This package is for Port Windy. This package here is for us, for Caesar. This package is for us as well, for Caramel. This package is for Port Windy. This package is for us. It's a mail package, so we'll put that over here. This package is for Port Windy. This package would be for us. We got so many packages to sort through. This is a package for us as well. Where's the name? Right there. This package is for Port Windy. Windy Port. Put that over there. This package is for us. Inside out. So that way we can make sure that when the guests come, they know. Or we know whose package it is. This one's for Port Windy. It's just a big sorting game for now. Probably be a big sorting game for the whole game. This one is for us. Kind of hidden behind the stamps, but it's for us. This one here is for us as well. Some Gale. I'll put that up there. This one is for us as well. We're running out of slots with spaces. So can I get it up top? Yep. This one is for Port Windy. And then we've got more packages. Port Windy again. Most of these are probably Port Windy. I mean, most of the post office. The guys should have probably came to pick up their mail. Guy just didn't send the mail. Talk about going postal, who knows? He probably just got tired of all the packages coming in and just stuck them in a room somewhere. So this one is for us. And let's put this up front. This one is for us as well. These ones will fit there. This one is for Port Windy. I wonder how long he actually been retired and all this mail stacked up. Probably not long. This one's Port Windy as well. But I'm out of room there, so I'll just stick it right there. I've got two there. This one is for us. Ghost. So let's put it right there. Come on. And then this one is for us. Luca S. Okay, and there we go. Let's check and see if there's any more. Oh, there's a artifact. Oh, right there it goes. Oh, there's a couple more packages. Port Windy. Oh dear. Let's go you there. Which one is this? One's for us. Elaine. Alright, there you go. Okay. Oh, there's a package over here. Oh, it goes to Port Windy. Looks like that box has been around for a while. We can stick that right there. Okay. Nothing more. We'll run through this area real fast just to make sure we didn't miss anything. Nothing's on the floor. Yeah, looks good. We'll go back here. Real fast. Nothing's back here. Oh, we got a postcard. Wonder where this postcard right there. Okay, let's help the next person.
Meow.
Do you have my package? The parcel's for Mom. Her last name is Meowie. It's a letter. So we have one letter that has it Ghost M. Alright, have a good day. During dusk, the captain arrives, fulfill his request to process. So, here comes the captain. You can actually change what you want to put there. Hi, I did my job, now do yours. So I guess I gotta unload this thing. These are our packages. So, Nova, you go there. Oh, no, I want you where I can see your name. Asher F. Okay, it's on this side. So, alright, we've got a package there. Okay, and then we got one more load to get, and then we can load up the packages for delivery. Boat loading. The captain knows which parcel is needed to load the boat. Ring the bell once you're satisfied. So I got 2 pack up, and I got more packages there. So let's put this parcel here. Let's put this one right there. Okay, and this one goes to Port Windy. Okay, this one goes to Port Windy. Most of these probably will go. Nothing more? Nope, nothing more. Alright, let's see about loading this boat up. Maybe taking the smaller ones? So, let's take this big one, see how that one fits. What about... No, not that one. What about these? I think those will work, and then we can maybe get some of these 1x boxes on. I'm not sure how high up we can take it. We got one more level. Nope, that's the height we got it. Okay. Let's see. We got this package. It can go in the bottom. Right there. These packages could probably just sit right there. Move that one over here. Oh. This one might be bigger than that one. Yeah. Let's put that down for now. Put that one up there. This one's big, right? It's too big for that. Okay. So the only thing left, well, I got the 1 square box. So this square box here. Let me check one thing real fast. Let me check and see if I can put this parcel on. I think that might be a little bit too big. Yep. Yeah, it's a little bit too big. It goes up there, but that'd be too high, so we gotta put that back. And what we'll do, we'll take the box, put the box there, and then we can stack these. And the only thing left is 4 big boxes and that one box. So I think we should be good for the first voyage. So, alright, Captain. See you later. And we leveled up. Let's go for our next shift. Oh, we unlocked the scanner. It's nighttime. Night shift works just like the day. Satisfy the customer's requests and have fun. Here's the key for the scanner. Oh. Place a single parcel on the conveyor belt to scan it. If the scanner detects anything, add the stamp that matches the indication. You'll need to do that for the parcels that the customers give to you. With the scanner operational, you'll need to handle fragile items and heavy parcels. Fragile parcels can't have anything above them, and heavy parcels will crush everything under them. Damages to the parcel happens between shifts. Alright. Next. Hi, I'd like to send that. Oh man. Lots of packages. This one has nothing. That's way it. It's a green. Port Windy. So we're doing Port Windy. Let's do the sailboat today. It's green. Green I think means 1, right? Yep. So we're gonna take this over here. Next package. Place on the scanner. Nothing on that one either. I gotta scan that one there. That one's green, so 1 sticker as well. Put in the sailboat. Port Windy. And then we'll take this in the back as well. Wait for the boat. And then last parcel to be scanned. That one's heavy. Ooh boy. That can't be weighed there. Well, that one's purple. Purple has 6 stamps. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to Port Windy. So, okay, now nothing can be below this, or it's going to crush it. Oh, I'm supposed to put it as heavy. Heavy. What? No, I want you like that. Oh, we got a new package. Oh, it's Port Windy and it's fragile. So this has to go on top. Alright, next. Meow. Meow. Okay, you can send that. I take that. And nothing wrong with that one. Is green. Doing the sailboat. Going to Port Windy. Alright, next. Hi, the parcel's from my mom. Her last name is Waggletail. A crocodile tried to take a bite out of it. Let's see if we find a Waggletail. There's a W. Well, that looks like a crocodile tried to take a bite out of that. Hope everything's alright. Have a good day. Next. Oh, hi. Don't you recognize me? It's me, May. Just a letter. Alright, hi, May. There you go. Have a good day. Next. Hi, I'd like to send... Oh, man, those are huge. Okay. Alright, that's fragile. So it's green. So we gotta say it's fragile. Let's go into Port Windy. And it needs one sticker. One stamp. There you go. So this one's fragile. That one's fragile too. We'll put that right there. Nothing seems to be wrong with that one, so we just weigh it. It's blue, so that's 4 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to Port Windy. Oh, nothing on that one, but this one won't fit on that scale, so I gotta put it on this scale. Green. Alright, you're going to Port Windy, and all you need is 1 stamp. It's already taken, so... Next. So, for my wife, she mood whiskers. Oh, I think right here. Was there another one? Oh well, that's probably that one. Thanks, have a good day. You too. Captain has arrived, it's dawn. But let's sort out this. Nothing seems to be good with that one. So, I'll just put that over here. Good morning, Captain. This one's heavy. So that needs to go on the bottom. Nothing seems to be wrong with that one. That one seems to be clear as well. That one's good. Looks like we got a letter up here. That's fragile. There's a fragile letter up top too. But a fragile can't go on top of a fragile either, from what I know. And this one's heavy. They tried to hide the heavy sticker. That's pretty sneaky of them. Okay. Yep. Right, there's another one. And nothing seems to be up with that one. And I got right the place for it right there. Okay, all good on that. Now we gotta get the stuff off the boat. Of course, you're on the other side. So where's the name? I'll put that right up top. I'll take this box. I've got room right there, I think, for it. Then I'll take these boxes as well. One's on top, so we'll have to do something with that. The one that has one on top, and put it here, you can read it. And then this one. All out of room there, so we'll go here. The last couple packages, and I can load them up so we can go out. Okay. All right, and get some heavy stuff. The heavy stuff on the bottom. And put the lighter stuff on top. Fragile's over there. Can I put this one on over here like this? Yes, I can. And we'll do that. And we got that one that goes there. This one's not fragile, so that one can go on the bottom. Because that's all the way. Can these go on the back over here? I guess they can. That's not the right package. Oh, it's still got like these huge ones. It's gonna be like a boat by themselves with the huge ones. So these are too fragile. One can go there. And then this one can go right there. Alright, Captain, you have a good day. Don't forget your coffee. Alright. And then still nothing more on the pile. Let's call the next visitor.
Meow.
I'd like to send these. What is this? A post office? Nothing on that one. So let's place that right there. You blue. So we'll use a beach stamp today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think that one. Nothing on that one. That's 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go to Port Windy. Alright, next guest.
No.
What's up? Very cute sticker with a clover. Clover. Right there.
Oh.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Next.
Meow.
Parcels for your mom. Her last name is Big Ears. It's a fragile box. So looking for B. B. That's not. That is a fragile box. Here you go. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Meow.
You'd like to send that out?
Meow.
Okay. Nothing on that one. It's yellow. Okay. And we got one more to scan. Probably heavy. Nope. Four. Okay. How many guests are we going to have today? We're at 16 now.
Meow.
Parcels for my mom. Her last name's Velvet Paw. So she's hoping it's going to fit on her bike. So probably that one. Have a good day.
Oh.
You again. It's for my wife. Zoya Ironclaw. It's a small box. Ironclaw. Zoya. Is it this one? Yep. Alright, have a good day. Captain's arrived. Oh, and then more stuff here. Oh. This one looks like nothing's wrong with it. No restrictions. This one, no restrictions. This one, no restrictions on that one either, which is good. That one's got no restrictions on either. This one's heavy. There. And that doesn't look to be having any restrictions. Make sure we got everything. Nothing on that one either. One last check. Oh, there's something there. Where was it? I know you're there. Oh. And this one has nothing either, so it can be anywhere on the ship. Time to unload on the other side. Okay, this one's fragile. But we don't really stack them, so we're good. Put that right there. Alright, this one doesn't really matter because don't stack them. Normally the postman would probably check to make sure that the mail is actually theirs too, probably. It looks pretty empty. This one's fragile as well. Okay, now we gotta load up. Should I probably get rid of one of these? Can't get. I wish I could get rid of both of them. Let's see what happens. I still got room on the top. Just can't put any heavy ones on. Oh, there was a heavy, but it was the taller one. So these are good. I can do a layer of these. Can put you on the end right there. I don't think any of them were fragile either. We probably got one too many there. I think there's room on the side over here. Nope. So I think I have to. Oh, it's fine. And that's a perfect stack. I don't think you got any more room. So, how about we put these? That's the heavy one. We'll stack these up. And check the pile one last time. And... Alright, Captain, you have a good night. Well, we got the key to a new room. And we unlocked Sunny Shores. And it's the night shift. But I think that's about time for this episode, guys. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And comment. Alright. Thank you and have a good night.